chunk beautiful. I think nobody needs to dispute that when somebody sees this kind of a scenery, you will have to think that maybe there is a God somewhere. But in as much as nature can reveal its greatness, it can only tell us about God in a fragmentary way. Also, our conscience can tell us about God, but it's not very clear. But there is a place where we can know more about God, that is through the Bible. The Bible is the Word of God, and the Word of God is kind of like a constitution for us, just like a constitution for a country. It is not up to any individual interpretation, neither is it up to exemption of some other people within its domain. The same is it for the Bible, for the followers of Christ. We cannot interpret it in any other way that we feel like. It is only interpreted by the Spirit of God, and it applies to everybody who stays under it. So yeah, if we want to get to know more about God, we can do it through nature like this. This is really, really beautiful. But also we can check through the Bible, the living Word of God. And we know that the Word of God is also Jesus, because John 1 says that in the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. So let's get to read the Bible, and we'll get to know God more and enjoy the nature too.